Hey, what's up guys? Today we will see how we can add header and footer in the PDF file. This is the fifth video of the series. I will attach a link of other videos in the description. There is no need to worry even if you don't have any experience with the UniPDF or Go programming. You still can do this task after watching this video. So let's get started. Log package for error handling. To convert a number into a string, we have strconf. Then for header and footer, we have the creator from UniPDF. Let's create the creator using the creator.new. And then we can add a header using draw header within the creator, which takes the function, and this function takes the block pointer, and it takes the structure of header function arguments. I'm going to add the logo image within this header. You can add any drawable object. And next, check if the image is successfully created. Set the height, so scale to height, and then set the position on the header. That's your choice. Add it to the block. Next, I'm going to create a simple paragraph within the created body. This is a simple paragraph. Set its font size and add it to the creator. Now create the footer. So instead of header, we just replace the footer. Everything else is just the same. Again, we are going to use the function blurb and footer function arguments instead of header. Create the text, which I'm going to add it to the paragraph, and set the font size, the position where we want to set, and add it to the block. Next, I'm going to use the args for the page name and total pages. These variables are within the arguments, and it has the page name and total number of pages. And create the paragraph for this text as well. Add font size and position, and now add it to the block. Now we can write our PDF file with all the information. Check if the PDF file is created successfully. Make sure we have everything ready and run the program. Here you can see the output file, my picture which I added in the header, the simple paragraph, and the text in a footer. So this is really simple. You just need to call the functions from the creator, and there are two functions, draw footer and draw header. You can go to the documentation page and open the creator package. From there you can explore more. That's it for today. In the coming videos, I will show how we can add digital signatures or create invoices, and there are many other PDF related topics, and I hope to see you guys there.